Children, this is a continuation of the hints and tricks and also about the basic concepts formula of the mathematics. Now let us discuss about the chapter trigonometry. Now here, what are trigonometric ratios? So what are the trigonometric ratios? Ratio related to ratios of the sides of a right angle triangle with respect to the acute angle. You know that in a right angle triangle, if you consider this right angle triangle, here the side opposite to the right angle is called the hypotenuse, and one angle is right angle means the other two angles are acute angles. Totally there are 6 ratios. They are sine, cosine, tangent, cotangent, cosecant, secant. Totally there are 6 ratios: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now here you can express that ratios in terms of the ratios of the sides of the right angle triangle. Now consider the right angle triangle ABC. You know that angle A and angle C are the acute angles. Now if you consider the angle C, normally by using the Greek letter, angle can be represented by the letter theta. This is read as theta. So if you consider the angle C, and you know that this is the side opposite to angle C. That is, AC is the side opposite to the angle C, acute angle, and this is the side adjacent to the angle C. If you consider the angle A, that is also acute angle. Now the BC becomes the opposite side and AB becomes the adjacent side. Now to express the ratios, here sine C means opposite side by hypotenuse, that is AB by AC for angle C. For angle A, sine A, that is OS by H, opposite side by hypotenuse, BC by AC. And if you take the cosine C, cos C, that is AS by H, adjacent side by hypotenuse, and for angle C, AS is BC and hypotenuse is AC. So you got C here, sin A and cos C are equal. That you have to keep in your mind. Next, cos A. Cos A is, if you consider here cos A, that is adjacent side by hypotenuse, that is AB by AC. So these two are same. Next you take the tan C. Tan C is O by A, opposite side by adjacent side, that is, consider here AB by BC. It is AB by BC. Then you take tan A. For tan A, that is BC by AD, OS by AS, same, opposite side by adjacent side, that is, here which is the opposite side, BC by AB. Here tan C is the reciprocal of tan A. Next, let us take cot C. Cot C is here the opposite. You know that here it is opposite side by adjacent side. Here cot, adjacent side by opposite side, that you will get BC by AB. And for cot A, again the A by H, opposite adjacent side by opposite side, AS by OS, that is what you will get. Here again, here AS is AB by BC. See the difference here. These two are same. These two are same. Similarly, you take the next ratio, cosec. Then cosec is the reciprocal of sine. That is hypotenuse by opposite side. That is the reciprocal means AC by AB, cosec C, and here cosec A. Cosec A is the reciprocal of this one, that is AC by BC. AC by BC. Similarly, you can take secant C. Secant C is the reciprocal of cos C, that is AC by BC. AC by BC, and secant A, that is the reciprocal of cos AC by AB. AC by AB, and also you must know the relation cosec A is equals to 1 by sin A, or cosec C is equals to 1 by sin C, and also here also you can take cosec A is equals to 1 by sin A. So for all, you can take cosec is the reciprocal of sine and sine is the reciprocal of cosec. You must keep that in your mind. And for that, you can take cosine, cos and sec, 1 by sec, and sec is 1 by cos. Similarly, tan and cot are reciprocal of each other. Tan equals 1 by cot, cot equals 1 by tan. These are all required for the multiple choice question. Then also you can have some identities. What are the identities? The trigonometric identities. First one is sin square A or sin square theta plus cos square theta, or sin square A plus cos square A equals 1. And this can be written as sin square A equals, you can take 1 minus cos square A, or also cos square A equals 1 minus sin square A. And also one more thing, you can take cos square A minus sin square A equals, you can express cos square A is nothing but 1 minus sin square A. So it becomes 1 minus sin square A minus sin square A, that equals 1 minus 2 sin square A. Sometimes this relation is also required. So you take, if cos square A minus sin square A is equals to what? 1 minus 2 sin square A. Similarly, you can take sin square A minus cos square A. That becomes, here that becomes sin square A minus cos square A is 1 minus sin square A. So it becomes sin square A minus 1 plus sin square A, that equals what? 2 sin square A minus 1. So sin square A minus cos square A is equals to what? 2 sin square A minus 1. 2 sin square A minus 1. And also you can take this relation as cos square A minus sin square A. That is, you can keep cos square A as it is, minus, it is also 1 minus cos square A, that becomes equals to cos square A minus 1 plus cos square A. So you will get 2 cos square A minus 1. So this cos square A minus sin square A can be written in two forms. One is this one, other one is this one. So cos square A minus sin square A equals 1 minus 2 sin square A, and 2 cos square A minus 1. Then sin square A minus cos square A can be written as 2 sin square A minus 1. So you must keep in your mind this relation. I will take the second identity. What is that? 1 plus tan square A equals secant square A. So this can be converted as, you can know that 1 minus secant square A is equals to tan square A, or secant square A minus tan square A equals 1. So that is depending upon this one. Here all these are true. That is, if 1 plus tan square A is equals to secant square A, you can express this as transferring this to this side and this to this side. You will get 1 minus secant square A is equals to tan square A. And transferring this tan square A to the RHS, you will get secant square A minus tan square A is equals to 1. If you transfer the secant square A towards the tan square A side, then it becomes tan square A minus secant square A is equals to minus 1. So wherever necessary, you must use these relations. Next, let us take the third identity, that is cot square A plus 1 equals cosec square A. This also you can convert, that is cosec square A minus cot square A equals 1 you can write. And also cot square A equals cosec square A minus 1 also you can write. Then if you transfer cosec square A towards the LHS and 1 to the RHS, then it becomes cot square A minus cosec square A equals minus 1. Here according to the situation, you must use this relation. Now about the trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. So you take, which are the trigonometric ratios of complementary angles? You know that complementary angle means that sum is 90 degree. So you take sine 90 degree minus A equals what? Cos A. And cos 90 degree minus A is sin A. Complementary of sin is cos, complementary of cos is sin. Complementary of sin is cos, complementary of cos is sin. See, they are in the cos sin, sin cos. You must keep in your mind. Then tan cot, cot tan. So you take tan 90 degree minus A is cot A. Cot 90 degree minus A is tan A. So complementary of tan is cot, complementary of cot is tan. Next, complementary of secant is cosec, cosec is secant. So you take secant 90 degree minus A is equals to cosecant A, and cosecant 90 degree minus A equals secant A. That you have to keep in your mind. Children, now let us discuss about the trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. Trigonometric ratios of some specific angles, that is of sine of 0 degree, sine of 30 degree, sine of 45 degree, sine of 60 degree, sine of 90 degree. Similarly, cos 0, cos 30, cos 45, cos 60, cos 90, tan 0, tan 30, tan 45, tan 60, tan 90. But if you know the sine ratio, if you know sin theta, then you can find out the cos theta, that is in the reverse order. So children, here is a chart for you. They are the sin 0, sin 30, sin 45, sin 60, sin 90, cos 0, cos 30, cos 45, cos 60, cos 90, tan 0, tan 30, tan 45, tan 60, tan 90. But to keep this chart in your mind, it may become difficult, but you use one trick here. So you know that here 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree are there. Now you take for sin theta. So you take 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and divide it by 4 and take root. So then it becomes 0 by root 4 means that is 0 only, and root 1 by 4 is 1 by 2. Root 2 by 2 ones are root 2s are, you will get 1 by root 2 or root 1 by 2, that is 1 by root 2. Again it is root 3 is root 3, square root of 4 is 2. Then 4 by 4 is 1, root 1 is 1. So these are the values of the sin 0, sin 30, sin 45, sin 60 and sin 90. And you write the reverse order for the cos. So you write 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2 and 1 by 2 and 0. And you know that for 45 they are same. Here you observe sin 45 degree, cos 45 degree, both of them are having the same value 1 by root 2. And here there is a exchange. Sin 30 degree and cos 60 degree are same, and here these two are exchanged. See that sin 30 is same as cos 60. Similarly, cos 60 is same as sin 30. Here sin 30 is same as cos 60. 0 degree and 90 degree are opposite here. Sin 0 and cos 90. Here sin 0 and cos 90 are same. And cos 0 and sin 90 are same. Here these two are same. Next, again one thing you can observe, 45 degree they are having same value 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, and this 30 degree and 60 degree are again exchanged. Sin 30 is same as cos 60 and sin 60 is same as cos 30. So here you can say, take here sin 0 cos 90, sin 0 cos 90, both are equals to 0. Sin 90 cos 0, both are equals to 1. Sin 45 degree cos 45 degree, both are equals to 1 by root 2. And sin 30 degree cos 60 degree, both are equals to 1 by 2. And sin 60 degree cos 30 degree, both are equals to root 3 by 2. So here first you take the sin 0, sin 30, for sin 45, sin 60, cos 90, that is by taking this trick, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, again dividing by 4, dividing by 4, dividing by 4, dividing by 4, dividing by 4 and taking root. That you can use the trick here. Now here is a chart, you observe the chart. Here sin theta is there, cos theta is there, tan theta is there. Now for sin theta the values are there, and in the reverse manner cos theta values are there. And here how will you get tan theta? You know that tan theta is equals to sin theta by cos theta. So this by this you will get 0. 0 by 1 you will get 0. 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2 you will get, here 2 cancels and you will get 1 by root 3. And 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2 is 1. Root 3 by 2, 1 by 2 is root 3. So 1 by 0 is not defined. because 1 by 0 is meaningless, that is not defined. So if you know the value of sin theta, then you can get the value of cos theta in reverse manner, and tan theta, that divided by this. Sin 0 by cos 0 is tan 0. But you can keep in your mind here. See here, you observe tan 30 is 1 by root 3, cos 60 is root 30. Tan 45 is 1 and this is 0. You can keep in your mind and you imagine this chart. You close your eye and imagine the chart here. This and this are same. This and this are same. These two are same. This and this are same. This and this are same. So if you keep in your mind only about the sin theta, other you can guess. Now let us discuss about the method of solving the multiple choice questions in the trigonometric chapters. Now you take, if tan theta is given equals to root 3, then the value of sin theta. So in that case, you know that here the tan theta is equals to what? Opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side by adjacent side. So that is nothing but root 3 by 1. You need hypotenuse to find. Here this is the opposite side. This is the adjacent side. So you need sin theta. So to find the sin theta, hypotenuse is required. So how will you get hypotenuse? This square plus this square is equals to, you take root 3 square plus 1 square. What you are going to get? Root 3 square is 3. 3 plus 1 you will get 4. Its root. Its root is 2. So you got h equals 2. Then directly you can write sin theta is equals to what? Opposite side by hypotenuse. That is opposite side is, you know, that is root 3 by 2. In this way, in shortcut method, you can get the value. Similarly, if sin theta equals 5 by 13, then what is the value of tan theta? You know that this is opposite side, this is the hypotenuse, and you know the adjacent side. As opposite side is there, hypotenuse is there, that becomes 13 square minus 5 square root. That is square root of 169 by 25. You will get 144. That equals what? 12. Then you will get tan theta is equals to O by A, opposite side by adjacent side. That is opposite side is already there, that is 5, and adjacent side you got 12. So it is 5 by 12. Then one more thing, you can take root 3 cos A equals sin A. Then cot A equals. So you take cos A by sin A. As this comes here, it must come here. That becomes 1 by root 3. Cos A by sin A is cot A. So cot A is equals to what? 1 by root 3. Then the value of sin square 30 degree plus cos square 30 degree. You know that sin 30. Sin 30 is 1 by 2, its square. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2, its square. So it becomes 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. So here these two are same, means you can add. That becomes 4 by 4. 1 you will get. So the answer is 1. Then you take one more question. Cosec square 55 degree minus cot square 55 degree. You know that 1 plus cot square theta is cosec square theta. So if it is cosec square theta minus cot square theta, then that is equals to what? That is equals to 1. So 1 equals cosec square theta minus cot square theta. In the place of theta, there is 55 degree. So what is the answer here? The answer is 1. Then you take the sixth question. If theta equals 45 degree, then the value of 1 minus cos 2 theta by sin theta. So if you take 1 minus cos 2 theta by sin theta, it will be 1, you write 1. Cos 2 theta means cos in the place of theta 45 degree, it becomes 2 into 45, 90 degree. That divided by sine 45 degree. That equals 1 minus cos 90 is 0. Sine 45 is 1 by root 2. That equals 1 by root 2. You will get root 2. That is the answer. Next question, 7th question. Sin theta equals 1 by 2. Then the value of sin 2 theta. So sin theta is equals to 1 by 2 means you know that sin how much is 1 by 2? Sin 30 is 1 by 2. Then sin 2 into 30. That means sin 60. Sin 60 equals how much? Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Here therefore sin 2 theta is equals to what? Root 3 by 2. If sin theta equals 1 by 2, then sin 2 theta is root 3 by 2. Next you take the question number 8. Sin 18 by cos 72. Here you observe the sum of these two, they are complementary. You know that sin complementary of sin theta is cos theta. Complementary of cos theta is sin theta. So here you can write sin 80 degree can be written as cos 72 degree, or also you can write it as, if you want to know the steps, you write it as sin 90 degree minus 72 degree, because 18 degree can be expressed in terms of 90 minus 72 degree. That is equals to what? Cos 72 degree. It is also cos 72 degree. What is that? Cos 72 degree by cos 72 degree equals what? 1. Here directly you can recognize the answer. You know that these two are same. Sin 18 degree and cos 72 degree are same, as the complementary of sin is cos and complementary of cos is sin. In that case, you can write the answer directly. So you learn the concept perfectly. Here you see 48 degree and 42 degree, they are complementary because their sum is 90 degree, and this cos and sin are the complementaries. The complementary of cos is sin, complementary of sin is cos. So you can consider these two are equal. If these two are equal means this minus this is equals to what? 0. How will you get the answer? You can write this as cos 90 minus 42 degree. 48 means 90 minus 42 degree. 90 minus 42 degree minus sin 42 degree, that is this is also sin 42 degree minus sin 42 degree, that is equals to 0. Directly you can write it as 0 if you know the concept. Next, tan 2a is equals to cot a minus 18 degree, then angle a equals, here angle a must be acute, then 2a must be acute. Then again you know that here tan is there, cot is there. They are the complementary of each other. Complementary of tan is cot, complementary of cot is tan. Again we express this in terms of tan 2a can be expressed in terms of cot 90 minus 2a equals cot a minus 18. As you got both side cot, so what you can write? 90 minus 2a equals a minus 18. 90 minus 2a equals a minus 18. So you shift this, it becomes 90 plus 18, then a plus 2a. Transfer this to this side, that becomes 108 equals 3a. Then a equals what? 108 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3 threes are 9. 1 3s are. So you got that angle A is 36 degree. Next let us take the next one. If tan A equals cot B, then A plus B equals. You know that tan and cot are the complementary of each other. So you can write it as cot 90 minus A. Cot 90 minus A equals cot B. So naturally you will get A plus B equals 90, or otherwise you solve it. That is, so you will get 90 minus A equals B, that is 90 equals a plus b. So what is the value of a plus b? 90. Then 11th one, if secant 4a is equals to cosecant a minus 20, here 4a and 4a is an acute. So what you have to find out? Find a. And you know that this secant and cosecant are the complementary of each other. So you express the secant in terms of cos. That is in terms of cosec. Cosec 90 minus 4a. Express the secant in terms of cosec. So cosec 90 minus 4a means secant 4a. So secant 4a can be written as cosec a, as there is cosec in the RHS. Then you write cosec a minus 20 degree. Now you equate these two. That is 90 minus 4a equals a minus 20 degree. Shift this and shift this. That becomes 90 plus 20 is 110 equals a minus 4a becomes a plus 4a is 5a. Then a equals what? 110 by 5. So you will get 5 ones are 5 2s are 5 2s are 22 degree. So what is the value of a? You got 22 degree. Not 20, 22 degree. Next you take the 12th question. If sin theta equals cos theta minus 60 degree, 3 theta and theta minus 60 are acute, then find theta. Here theta equals, then theta equals. Here again you know that sin and cos are the complementary of each other. So express this sin 30 degree, sin 3 theta, not 30, sin 3 theta, sin 3 theta in terms of cos 90 minus 3 theta, that equals cos theta minus 60 degree. Now you equate these two, that you will get 90 minus 3 theta equals theta minus 60 degree. Then you transfer this and transfer this, that becomes 90 plus 60 equals theta plus 3 theta, you will get 4 theta. Then 150 degree equals 4 theta. Then 150 by 4 theta equals what? 4 ones are 4 3s are 12, 3 is remaining, 3 0, 4 7s are 28 and 2 is remaining, 2 0 means 4 5s are, you will get 37.5 degree. Then you take the 13th question, cot 85 degree plus cos 75 degree in terms of trigonometric ratio of angles between 0 degree and 45 degree. Here it is 85 degree, it is 75 degree. So you can express this as cot 85 means 90 minus 5 degree, plus this is cos 90 minus 75 means 15 degree, and this 5 degree and 15 degree are between 0 and 45. Now you can write cot 90 degree minus 5 degree is tan 5 degree, plus cos 90 minus 15 degree is, what is the complementary of cos? Cos 90 minus 50 degree is sin 50 degree. The complementary of cos is sin and complementary of sin is cos. So cos 90 minus 15 degree is sin 15 degree. Here you got the angles between 0 degree and 45 degree. Here tan 5 degree is equals to cot 85 degree and sin 15 degree is equals to cos 75 degree.